Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, and other news. My name's Helen Walters, and I'm a customer service representative here at Osborne Wood Products. Today, I would like to talk with you about the Osborne Wood Products blog. The Osborne blog is the place to go when you are looking for answers to frequently asked questions, design tips and tricks, or Osborne Company news. Perhaps my favorite part of the blog is the opportunity that I have to share all of the stunning customer builds with our blog audience. When working on your next build, you can search keywords on our blog that will give you some suggestions from our resource library. For instance, search farmhouse on the blog for tons of tips and tricks and examples of farmhouse creations. You can also search for specific products to see how others incorporated them into their home designs. We are frequently adding more blog posts each day, so be sure to check back often for the latest content. Thank you so much for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can visit our blog at blog.osbornewood.com. If you would like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.